Want to hide your last scene on Viber for more privacy? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to hide your last scene, you will need to open the Viber application on your primary mobile device. Once the app is open, you should tap on the More tab, which is usually represented by a three-dot icon, and then select the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, you must tap on the Privacy section to find all the options related to your visibility. Now tap on the Online Read and Typing status. You will see a section called Online Status. This option controls your last scene on Viber. Simply select Off to hide your last scene and online status from your contacts. Keep in mind that when you hide your last scene, you also will not be able to see the online status of other people. Viber has also added a paid version called Invisible. If you tap on Invisible, you will hide your last scene notification, but you will be able to see when people are online. This option is a paid option, so you will need to pay for it. And that's how you can hide your last scene on Viber, giving you more control over your privacy on the platform. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.